up, chat? So today we're playing with a streamer named Dala D Bill, I think. But yeah, we're playing, and this is called the Streamer Experience. That's right, guys. And we're gonna start this. This is my best friend. His name is, I'm not telling you that, and that's the other guy. His name is, I can't tell you that, but just call them Cat Lover, Athena, and Mufasa. All right, chat, we're going. Okay, don't mind it. Something happened. We gotta redo this. But, yes, is this streamer named Dala D Bill? And go follow him on Twitch. And, yeah. So, if you can't hear them because they're on a stream, so, and you can't hear my voice. I don't know how to say his name, but you can't hear him because they're just on a stream and they're on a headset. But I'm recording this on my phone. Okay, chat. So we're in, and we got the bag of chips on the ground. Then we gotta clean this. I feel like we're gonna have to clean this. Time to wake up. Ugh, I'm hungry. I'm trying to do his voice acting, okay? Better grab something from some snacks from the kitchen. Okay, buddy. I cannot sound like him. It's kind of hard. Oh, wait. Oh, that was the bathroom. Food! Let's go, some chips. Look at my mask. We gotta clean the room before we start the stream. It was something like that. It's not too deep, but it's kind of deep. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it. Pick up the trash. I knew we were gonna have to clean this, but there's a lot to clean. I didn't think there would be this much. Man, I'm not getting anything. Oh, I got my first piece of trash. Okay, it's kind of boring. Yeah, bro, move. I'm picking this up. My God, he's stealing my stuff. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoy this video, though, because I think it's about 16 minutes. I don't know, but it's something like that. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but let's roll the trash in the dumpster downstairs. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh wait. Oh, that's the front door. Okay. Oh wait. Wrong way. Let's go. Going down the exit and wait. Oh, not there. Where do I go? Oh, I found the dumpster. Oh wait, he already did it. It's time to set up the green screen for the stream. Okay. Wrong door. Oh my God. Anyways. Oh my God, that's a balcony. Getting so annoyed. They already turned on the stream. It's finally time to start the stream. Bro, move. We're gonna be playing Roblox on this stream, bro. I'm the commentary guy. I gotta be in the front. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I swear if someone steals it. Oh my God, move! Bro! Oh my God, I was gonna do it. Then he just jumped on it. Oh my God. Welcome to the stream, chat. We're finally live. I wonder why we didn't have a countdown. What? Who could it be? A package? Anyways, chat, so we're playing Roblox. Let's carry it inside. Anyways, chat, so we're playing Roblox, and yeah, oh my god, I just died. Move. Alright, stream, we're back. It seems we got a package. Let's open it. Which one of you guys sent me this? I hope this is fan mail, at least. Open. Oh my god, why is everyone stealing it? What's that? A doll? Guys, my voice acting is good, right? I know. This is unsettling. Let's continue the stream. Guys, move on the commentary. Okay, guys. Bro, I just died again. Move! Gosh. Anyways, so, what now? What should we do? This Roblox game is kind of boring. What was that? I think it came from the balcony. Scary. Okay. One out of the... Oh my god, he's ugly. Who was that? The neighbor? Is that the neighbor? Because that neighbor... I think our neighbor is ugly. You guys can take care of that. But yeah, guys. So yeah, I'm back. And we're getting back. Did he make the plan? Oh, I can't. Anyways, I gotta clean it up now. Let's grab the broom from the kitchen. I ain't helping y'all, bro. Okay, guys. So I'm back, and we're gonna be playing this other Roblox game called Sleep with Your Best Friend on a Night on Friday. It's a kind of weird game. Okay, I'll help you guys. Anyway, so... oh my god, I'm not gonna get one single point. How dare you! Oh my god, it's doing my stuff again! I'm tired. Should be done. Yeah, I should go to sleep, bro. I always get interrupted. Let's get back to the stream for a bit, then go to bed. Oh my god, that's the kitchen. Where did the doll go? Alright, chat. I think I didn't get enough sleep. So I'll end the stream early. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Guys, turn off the stream. I'm gonna go to bed. Now that stream is over, let's upload the stream highlights. Sleeping on the broom. Alright, it's done uploading. Night 2. Gorilla Gang. Another day. Oh my god. Time to wake up. Okay, I'm sorry. That was one dumb laugh. Anyways, I always wake up hungry. That guy said that he's being for real when he said that. I'm still at his house right now. Wait, no. Chips. As a matter of fact, I just ate some hot fries. Turn off Turn on the computer. Alright guys, remember, I'm commentary, so let me do this. Stream again. You guys can go next stream. It's time to stream again. I hope I won't be interrupted again. Start streaming. Let's go, Gorilla Gang. I want to be like this. I want to be streaming. Welcome to the stream, chat. Got some crazy stream ideas right now. Hey, yo, bro, move. Watch out. This is my stream turn. It's my turn to stream. We're finally live again. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think I got enough sleep again. But it's okay. Hey, yo, chat, what was that? Someone is knocking? Someone's knocking? I'll be right back, chat. I must check this out. Okay, I'm just being weird now. I just need to stop. I'm investigating the front door. Oh, bro, get your ketchup freaking strawberry jam self back in there, bro. Built like a doorknob. Never seen anyone so ugly, bro. Mama. Watch that be my mom. Watch that be my mom. Watch that be my mom. I didn't think I'd actually call it. Hello, I was wondering how you were doing. I was worried about you. Mom? Why are you calling me? I am streaming. Oh, sorry. I just wanted to make sure oh my god, I can't read this. Freaking mask is in my way. Yes, I am fine. Now, please. Oh, okay. We'll talk later. Bye. Hold on, I can't read it. Hey, chat. I can't read it. Come on. Hey, chat. Sorry for this again. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got interrupted again. Great. What is it this time? The power went out. Wait, the power went out? Oh, nah, ankle breaker. I'm out of here. Oh no, the power went out. The box is in the basement. Oh my gosh, shiver me timbers. Okay. Oh my god. I'm finally gonna do something inside of here. Come on, move, please. I gotta do this. Oh, yes. Let me do my door. What is that knife doing here? Repair. Our neighbor is really weird. Especially considering the fact he's so wide. He's like as wide as it. Oh my god. He's as wide as the little W. He's as wide as a door. I'm watching. It's crazy. The doll is back. Type of goofy voice. And it has a message saying that I'm watching, baby girl. Okay, I'm sorry. Chat, what did I do? What do I do? Go check your neighbor. Go to your neighbor. Go check it out. Oh, so you want me to go investigate? Alright, if I don't come back, call the popo. That's what my friend said. If I don't come back, call the popo. Oh god, why is there strawberry jam everywhere? And ketchup! Ew! I don't eat ketchup like that. I eat mustard more. Don't think I'm weird, please. strawberry jam, though. I like strawberry jam. Okay, this is too creepy. Go back quickly. Man, you wide, bro. You wide. You wide. Uh-oh. I'm not really scared. Oh, shiver me too. Wait, we have to escape to his window. What is it? Let's go down these stairs and escape. Bro, that was funny, bro. I said, uh-oh, and then it showed it. Sorry, I'm really sleepy right now, guys. The Gorilla Gang! We escaping this guy. We dusting him. I think we're safe for a bit. We're not hiding in that dumpster, bro. Stank. Run! Oh, we can't. Is this the way we went? Yeah, we just came from here. I'm scared. Oh, shiver me timbers. We can also try escaping through that gate. Oh, shiver me timbers! He's coming, guys! Ah! Escape. We all want to go there. Boom! Hey guys, it's telling you, not me. Like for part 2. Cause I know you guys like these videos, so you better. Though you need to subscribe, please, or else I will find you. Bye, Gorilla Gang.